have a look at question 6 from exercise 2405. And I'll just write that down while I'm there so we can make a start on it straight away. So I've got 24.05 and we're doing, this is gamma as well, by the way, gamma. And we're doing question 6. All right, let's have a look. We've got a 500 invested on compound interest at a bank. The interest rate is 10%. The interest is calculated and added to the principal at the end of each year. How much is earned at the end of the first year? So, the interest rate at the end of the first year is going to be the same as if it was simple interest. It makes no difference, really. All we've got is we've got $500. So we've got 500. So there are lots of ways of doing this. I could just say it's just 500. And we're going to increase that by 10%. So times 1.1. And 500 times 1.1, and I'll just do that on the calculator so you can see it being done. All right, chances are you're going to actually do this in the exam on a calculator. So it's going to be 500 times 1.1. So we've got 550. So that is your new balance at the end of the year. The question, though, is how much interest is earned. So another way of doing that, so you could now just take the 550 and you could subtract the 500, what you had before, and you would find you'd have $50, which was this is the interest, yeah? Another way of doing it is to say, well, we've got $500, and we're going to multiply that 500 by 10%, or 0.1. So 500 times 0.1, again, that's going to be $50. Let's have a look at it. 500 times 0.1, and that's $50. And that is also the interest at the end of the year. Another way is using the equation we were given before, which was interest is equal to PRT. So that's principal times the interest rate times the time divided by 100. So we've got interest, I'll use I, is equal to principal times the rate times time divided by 100. All right, so we don't know the interest, but we're going to find it out. The principal's $500. The interest rate is 10%. The time is, just 1 year, so I put it times 1, and I'm going to divide all of that by 100. And so what do we end up with? Well, let's have a look. We've got 500 times 10 is 5,000. Again, I'll do this on a calculator in a moment. Divided by 100. So let's have a look. We've got 5,000 divided by 100. And we get 50. So the interest is going to be, again, $50. And again, important to put units here. So make sure you put the units in here as well, and the units in here. So lots of ways of going about that one. So that was question 6a. Hopefully that's useful, folks.